Hi guys, this is Chinmay from Oxy Ultimate. In this video, I am demonstrating the new functionality of the Off Canvas card component of Oxy Ultimate add-on. So I add the Off Canvas card component. This is my Off Canvas card component. I totally changed the default functionality of minicart section, so you can see that I added the quantity change option box, updated the delete button icon. So if I change the quantity, you can see the message box and price is updating here. You can also see the subtotal options, and for variations product, you can see the design. So this is the new functionality of the Off Canvas card component. Okay, now I am going to the settings sections. Here under the card button section, I added the visibility options. Under the visibility options, you can get in another options when a product in cart. If I choose these options, so your cart button only show when your cart have a item, at least one item. I am refreshing the page. You can see that cart button is not showing. If I add the add the product into the cart, you can see that cart button is showing here. Next, I am deleting the product again. You can see that cart button is not showing here because there have no product in the cart. This is the one features of the Off Canvas card component. Next, in the others config sections, I added the enable Ajax to cart button function on single product page. If I enable it and saving the options, if I hit on the 1 minute, first I refreshing the page. Okay, now if I click on the add to cart button, page will not refresh and product will add to cart via Ajax. Let's hitting on the button. You can see that page is not updating, but product is added into the cart. So I added this Ajax functionality for single add to cart button. Next, I added the fly to cart animation effect. If we enable these options, you will see that product image of the product image will fly to the cart button position while a new item will add to the cart. So let's see, I am going to the shop page. Now I am adding a product. You can see the animation effect. Product is flying to cart button. Here I am adding another product. So you can see the animation effect. So this is happening when you will enable this animation effect. Here are another two options. You can adjust the offset value top position and left position. Default is 5 and 5, and you can adjust the value so image will smoothly animate on the button section. So this is the another functionality. Now I shall open the coupon form. By default it is disabled, so we can also add the coupon form on the left of canvas card panel. So I am enabling this, and you can see that coupon form is showing is here, and all the style option for this form will be controlled under here. I added the all style options for the form, so you can design it quickly. Next I am going to subtotal section and aligning the price. Okay, now saving the style. Next, refreshing the page. Okay, I am adding the coupon. I already created a one. Clicking on the apply button. Here my coupon is added and showing the discount value and new total value. This design of this section also controlling from the off canvas part panel. Here is one is the coupon details, so this is for this line, and new total price sections. You can control the color and font size for this row. If I go to the view card button, view card page, so you can see the discount coupon here, adding here. Now I am going to removing the coupon. So you can see that message is here showing here. Also my view card page is automatically updating and coupon is not showing here. So total value and the subtotal value is showing here. By default total value will not show because there have no coupon. That reason I am removing the new total options here. It will only show when we shall apply the coupons. Can show that coupon is here applying. Also coupon is adding to the card page. Next I am, so you can see that here quantity is changing and value also changing. Same way the value is changing on the panels. I am removing the items one. So you can also see that the progress. So next, okay, so notice you can show that when I am adding or removing the item here, you can see the noticed. So this section is controlling from off canvas card notice sections. So you can change the notice title. Here default is item added, item updated and item removed. Also you can change the background color, spacing and typography. But you can't see the live preview on the builder editor. This is not possible on the builder editor, but you can show the update at the front end. Let's change the background color red and typography font size something 14. Saving it. Now refreshing the page. Okay, in the card button. adding an item. You can see that the background color and font is changed here. So this is the another new functionality of the off canvas card component. And another and last functionality is the floating button functionality. So if you go to the card button, you can see the another section, floating settings. So using these settings you can create the floating button functionality. So first I am disabling the preview. In the structural panel I added my button to here, so I am just moving it to outside of the wrapper. You can see that button is coming here. Now I am going to card button, floating settings, enabling the floating effect. You can see the button is showing here. Button will replace the left or right panel, right position, left here or here. When you will change the panel position, it is panel position under off canvas panel, sliding panel. Now I am changing the position and clicking on the apply panel buttons. You can see that button is showing here. Okay, here also another thing is that when you will enable the preview, you can't see the off canvas button. When that time you will click on the apply panel buttons and you can see the full overview here. So here is your design. Now saving it. And refreshing the page. So you can see the button is showing here. Okay. Now I am going to shop page and seeing the fly to card functionality. Let's adding this product. You can see that image is flying to the card button. So where the button will place, image will automatically flying to that positions. Now I am going to okay, so I am changing the panel positions. Okay, sorry this is okay. So this is the functionality of the off canvas card component right now. Hope that you will like this new component functionality and add it into the site. Another important thing is that the new off canvas card versions I added lot of custom code. So if you are not using my component, so when you will update your site, old site where you are using the Oxy Ultimate, so make sure that you completely disabling the off canvas card component and my menu card component from the Oxy Ultimate component settings page. I am talking about this. Here you will disable my menu card and off canvas card component if you are not using on any old site where FC Ultimate using. Otherwise the layout can be broken because there are lot of custom code I am using. If you are using my component, so there are no issue. So this is the demo of the current functionality. Thank you for watching the video.